Hi, HLookUp and VLOOKUP are two important functions in Excel that all of us must know. Now we've already discussed about VLOOKUP. Let's talk about HLOOKUP today. As you might understand, H stands for horizontal lookup. Now if you look at the definition that Excel provides, if I just type H, so you see what it says is it looks for a value in the top row of a table. So this, let's say, is a table. It looks for a value in the top row of the table and then returns the value in the same column. Let's say this is one of the column that I want to search. So returns the value in the same column for a row you specify. Let's say I specify the 20th row, it will return this value. Now this is in simple terms what HLOOKUP does. Okay, let's look at it in action. So I'm just going to type this HLOOKUP over here. Now what is going to be my lookup value? I want to look up for, let's say, all the shirts or suits. So I'll just say I want to look up for a shirt over here. Where do I want to look up? I want to look up in this table. Okay. Now when I hit comma and I'll get an option to select the row index number. So let's say I want to select the 20th row. Okay. So I'll just say 20, and since I want the exact match, I'll just select false. And there you go. I see 31340. Okay. So you see here 31340. This is the value. Now, how can this function be useful to us? Okay. Now, stay with me here. I hope everyone is opened up the Excel, and if you want, you can try this out with me. So let's say I'm preparing a report and this is on a different data sheet. Okay. And here on the summary page, I need the values of shirt, suit, tees, trousers, and jeans. How many sales per day on a particular day itself. Okay. So let's say I want to find it on the 10th row. Okay. So here's what I'll do. So I'll just type in H lookup and hit tab. Okay. Then I would select, okay, I want to select this. Then this is my table. Okay. And which row I want to select? This is the row that I want to select the value from. And since I want an exact match, okay, so this is how I got my value. Now, similarly, what I can do is I can drag this formula horizontally for all these. I was expecting that it'll give me the value for suit, tees, trousers, and jeans. But you know what? I got a error. Now let's inspect why I got this error. Okay. Now I clicked on this formula and see what happened. So let's click on this and for. So it's searching for the suits, which is correct, which is kind of correct. Okay. So this is fine. Now let's look at this. Okay. So it's searching for a table. Now that you see that the table reference has shifted by one column. Okay, this is something that I don't want. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll freeze up this table. Okay, now let's inspect further. Okay, now let's look at this L5. Okay, what is this? Now my row, what I wanted was this and not this. It's taking the shirt value as the row number. So this reference is also shifted. Okay. Now I may want to freeze this as well because my row reference will not shift. Okay. So here's what I do in my formula. I'll click this cell. I have to freeze the tables. I'll just do it the longer way of freezing the tables using dollar signs. I also need to freeze this shirt row value and then hit enter. Now if I drag and drop, I should get all the values listed. You see here on the 10th row, all the values are listed. Now this is how you use a HLOOKUP function in Excel. In case you have any questions, do let me know and we'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much.